Good day, teacher and classmates. My name is Muller Hernandez. I am from Bogota and I am 47 years old. I would like to show you some places from this wonderful city, but I only have the opportunity to show you one of these. That's why I would like to recommend you the restaurant Carbón de Palo because this is a very nice place to visit. In this place we can find some shows during the lunchtime and they serve some cool wine. They have beers coming from all over the world. They also have salad bar and they serve the best meat I ever have eaten. This place is also very cheap. This is kind of not expensive and they also have other dishes such as fish. They also sell spaghetti and some fried chicken. Well, they are classmates that I wanted to recommend you. I want you to come here every time you can. Well, have a good day. Bye bye.